Namaste and Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to a special broadcast of Independence Day by Nachiketa School, celebrating the spirit of 15 August. I am Devanshi Agarwal.
And I am Muskan Chaudhary. Today we are here to talk about nationalism, what it meant for the people at freedom struggles and what it meant for the today's youth. So my first question is, what is nationalism means to we have heard in political speeches and in history books. So what does the nationalism exactly means?
That's a great question to start with. Nationalism. Nationalism is not just a word. Nationalism is a feeling of love, pride, and unity towards the nation. The people who share the common history, culture, and values unite as one nation. If we talk about India, in case of India, millions of people inspired by the nationalism to fight for freedom against British rule.
So sir, during freedom struggle, how did this feeling grow among Indians?
It grew through many means, like writings of leaders, speeches, songs, and the movements. Movements like Swadeshi movement, Quit India movement, and non-cooperation movement. When the youth started sacrificing their life for the nation, as a 23-year-old boy kissed the gallows and 25-year-old one shot himself, then the people from different religion, and places come together because they realize that the unity is the only way to get freedom.
Sir, we are free now. So what does nationalism means for our generation?
Good point. Today, nationalism is about understanding responsibility, to act as a responsible citizen, to protect our constitution, to respect our constitution, helping others, and working hard to make India a better place. This is the nationalism for today. It is not about just waving the flag for once or twice in a year. We should also know the values it stands for. We should also know the value of tricolor. Tricolor in saffron stands for sacrifice, white stands for peace, and green stands for harmony.
So sir, in simple words, nationalism is action, not just emotion.
Exactly. Nationalism is about making our country proud. Like, you are students. So what is nationalism for you? It's not go for the borders and protect the nation. Nationalism for you is to study well and contribute for a better India. As I am a teacher, so what is a nationalism for me? My nationalism is to teach students in such a way so that they will become a good citizen and contribute for the nation.
So what is that one message on this Independence Day that you have to give to the youth of India?
Remember, the freedom we are having right now, it has come with a price. It isn't free. Thousands of people sacrifice their life for this freedom. So be proud of your identity as Indian. Let's contribute in a small and a meaningful way, like study well, helping others, working hard to make India a better place. I want to conclude this conversation by few lines. देश हमें देता है सब कुछ, हम भी तो कुछ देना सीखें. देश हमें देता है सब कुछ, हम भी तो कुछ देना सीखें. Thank you.
Thank you sir for your truly inspiring words.
As we remember that 15 August is the Independence Day, we should always remember that patriotism is a lifelong duty. Thank you and Jai Hind.